Stop chasing 20 different habits. Stop copying morning routines from people you'll never meet. The Stoics had one rule: control yourself, and you control the world. Here's how to build a life that actually lasts in 8 steps. 1. Wake up before the world owns you. If you wake up for the world, you'll always be a slave to it. Wake up for yourself. 30 quiet minutes before the noise is all it takes to turn weakness into control. To move like a warrior. Run, lift, walk, stretch, it doesn't matter. What matters is proving to yourself that discipline beats excuses every single morning. 3. Write your battle plan. Don't keep your day in your head. Write down 3 priorities, not 10, not 20, just 3. Simplicity is clarity, and clarity is power. 4. Eat with respect. Your body is not a garbage bin, it's your fortress. Feed it with strength, whole foods, water, clarity. Treat your body like a temple, or you'll live like a prisoner. 5. Sharpen your mind. 5 pages a day, 1 powerful podcast, a single new idea. Feed your mind the way you feed your body, because ignorance is the true poverty. 6. Touch the real world. Go outside. 5 minutes. Sunlight, air, stillness. The Stoics found wisdom in nature, not in noise. 7. Face the hard thing every day. Choose resistance on purpose. A cold shower, a tough workout, a difficult task. Pain is the price of power, and if you don't choose it, life will choose it for you. 8. Reflect like Marcus Aurelius. At night ask, where did I win? Where did I fail? Where can I be stronger tomorrow? The unexamined life is weakness. The examined life is mastery. You don't need perfection. You don't need apps or hacks. Just 8 daily practices that rebuild you from the inside out. Start today and watch your entire life change. And remember, share this video with the people you know you're going to build something great with. Leave me a like and subscribe for more wisdom from the Stoic Manual.